Hi friends, welcome to BGR Commerce Hub. The institute is established in 2012. Almost it is a 10 years institute. We completed almost all 180 batches. Almost all 2000 accountants had taken the training in the BGR Commerce Hub. If you go to any company in Hyderabad, almost one accountant will be our old student from BGR Commerce Hub in accounts, finance and taxation department. That is the profile of the institute. When it comes to trainer profile, myself, I am a trainer. My name is Santosh. I am a practicing chartered accountant in Hyderabad from last 10 years. I am also a SAP FICO consultant. This is my profile. This video I am making basically to give the guidance to the accountants who are working in the industry, for experienced accountants. Sir, here the problem will come. Suppose one student is telling his problem. I am an accountant in one company. I am having 4 years experience. Still I am getting 20,000 salary. Even though I am having a 4 years experience, still I am getting 20,000 salary per month. That is the problem of the one accountant. It may be accountant or taxation, whatever may be, finance. What is the problem? Where is the problem? What is the problem here is, even though you are working from last 4 years in the company, you are working only on the tally. You don't know in-depth knowledge of GST. You may not have in-depth knowledge in TDS. You may not have in-depth knowledge on generating MIS reports. You are not having the knowledge on TCS. These are the new developments in the taxation and accountancy. If you don't have the knowledge in this part, taxation part, for example, how to finalize the balance sheets for company, vertical balance sheets, how to prepare the income tax returns, how to calculate MAT, minimum alternative tax, how to prepare CFS, cash flow statement, how to prepare funds flow statement, how to calculate the ratios for investment purpose. What is deferred tax liability? What is GST TDS? What is GST TCS? What is e-invoice? What is waybill? What is reverse charge mechanism? So there are so many new developments in the taxation point of view. How to prepare pivot tables when you come to Excel, lookups, charts. If you have all this knowledge, then you can get 40,000 for 4 years. If you have a strong knowledge in these parameters, in these concepts. For example, payroll. You don't know what is payroll. Payroll means PF, ESI, PT, salary statements, pay slips, how to calculate the TDS for one employee, how to generate Form 16s. If you have this knowledge, you can demand the company 40 and 50,000. Why you are getting still 20,000? That is your problem. What is your problem? You are only working on tally. You are only working on inventory part. If you add this taxation knowledge to the accountancy, if you add this finance knowledge to the accountancy, then you will get a good increments, good promotions. In accountancy also, 7-8 years experience candidate can get 1 lakh salary also if you perfectly plan your life. So how we are going to help as a BGR Commerce Hub? This video is exclusively for experienced accountants. I am doing this video for giving their guidance in the field of accounts, finance and taxation. how we are going to help you. Here we will provide the courses with the practical projects. Here we are going to provide the course with a practical project. What is the practical project? For example, how to file TDS returns. I will give practical scenarios, challans, whatever may be, 26Q, 24Q, total practical implications. You will get the whatever job feeling you are getting, whatever regular works you are doing the job, you are going to do here. For your job holders, I am particularly teaching 7 to 9 batch, morning 7 to 9, only for job holders. 7 to 9 will be my class, and at least 1 hour daily you have to do the practice. It may be evening times after your job hours, evening 8 to 9, 9 to 10. You have to do yourself in the home if you have a laptop. Otherwise, come to Sunday lab, 3 hours. My lab assistants will help you for doing the practice. If you have a way, if you have a will, you can easily get a promotions. You have to struggle that 2.5 months. My course will be for covering all these topics. You have to spend 2.5 months in the institute, and you have to struggle almost 2.5 months to 3 months. You will be in a better position for entire life. But course will be very hard. You have to struggle. So what I am going to cover here is, when come to syllabus part, aspects part, I will start with Tally Prime. It is the latest version, Tally Prime. After completing the Tally Prime, I will go to GST. In-depth GST we are going to cover here. It is suitable to industry. I will take 10 industries like software industry, construction industry, cinema industry, hospital industry, transport industry, manufacturing industry, how the GST will be affected for these industries. 10 industries I will take, main industries in Hyderabad. After GST, I am going to discuss in depth on TDS part. How much GST is important, TDS is also that much important. You can observe any job notification, TDS knowledge is must for the accountant and taxation person. After TDS, I am going to take up TCS part. Nowadays, on every transaction, TCS is applicable. After TCS, I will move on to income tax. How to finalize the corporate tax, income tax, how to finalize the income tax for companies, how to finalize the income tax for personals, LLPs, limited liability partnerships, how to prepare IT returns, income tax returns, ITR 1 to ITR 6 I will cover. After completing income tax, I will go to advanced tax part. How to pay advanced tax installments, how to calculate, who should pay advanced tax. After advanced tax, I will take up payroll part. Payroll means PF, Provident Fund, how to file PF returns, live projects. ESI, after PF we are going to discuss ESI. Next PT, professional tax. Next salary statements. How to prepare salary statements for one company for distributing salaries. Payroll module, that is called payroll module in the Tally Prime. How to prepare the salary statement in Excel, and I will discuss also in Tally Prime also. After payroll, how to issue the pay slips, generating from Tally or generating from Excel, whatever may be. After payroll, I will discuss most important asset accounting, fixed assets accounting, depreciation calculation as per Companies Act, as per Income Tax Act, deferred tax liability assets, that is a part of total asset accounting, fixed asset registers. After asset accounting, I will move on to main important balance sheet finalization, financial statements, that is called FS, financial statements. After financial statements, I will move on to finance part. Finance part means cash flow, CFS, cash flow statement, FFS, funds flow statement, loan accounting, part of finance, bank guarantees, letter of credit, cash credit, CC account, overdraft. This is part of total finance. Next I will move on to ratios, investment point of view. What are the ratios? Liquidity point of view. How to calculate ratios? By seeing the one company balance sheet, investment purpose. How to analyze the company performance. Next I will take Excel also. Excel is also very important for the accountant, like pivot tables, lookups, charts, if conditions. This is totally, what is my intention is, even you are having a 4 years experience, you should get at least 40 to 50,000. Still you are working 20,000 because of you are not had done this knowledge. You are not having this knowledge. If you use this course for 2.5 months or 3 months, then observe the change what you will get in the yourself. So for job holders, I will give only 79 batch, morning 7 to 9 batch. For freshers, I will give 11 to 1 batch. For morning 7 to 9 batch, I will give only 20 seats. It is a almost 2.5 months course, 3 months course. So take the perfect decision and struggle for 2.5 months or 3 months, then observe the change in your life you are going to get if you thoroughly practice the syllabus. So thanking you, welcome.